I'm going to put our full Halloween video down in the description.
Well, look at what we have here. Is this an invisible dog?
It's a ghost dog.
A ghost dog? Well, I have one as well, my friend. What is this one's name?
Barnaby.
Barnaby. I figured it would be something like 1 or 2, as my dog's name is 0, but Barnaby, I've never heard of such a thing. Have you, Sally?
I love it. We could eat some bats, Barnaby.
Why, yes, we could. And what do we have here, Sally? Observe.
Well, it's from the Haunted Mansion. Have you guys been on it or been to the Haunted Mansion?
We haven't traveled there, but Zero likes to play in the graveyard.
Oh,
Why,
there is
yes,
a graveyard
he does.
there.
He does always linger out over there to go visit his toad friend.
Oh, God. Yeah, that's right. Mr. Toad's grave, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
you're familiar with him as well?
Yes.
Oh, how Zero loves befriending other dead animals.
Sometimes he likes to take a nice nap. There's always a bunch of leaves. He just cuddles right up.
Aw.
Yes.
So we'll have to look for him over there, right? When we go.
If you look for him,
Okay.
we need him back at least at midnight to start preparing for Halloween. It's
Okay.
going to be 11 days away once midnight hits.
Okay, that sounds good. We'll have to do that. Okay, I don't want to stab. Can you put it up this way?
Oh, she's making it here. Up here.
Oh, absolutely.
Try, yeah.
At least 7 years, goody. I didn't have to do much to be scared.
Yeah, that's true. You
I
did
just
it.
sort of stood still. Oh,
You are
so
pretty
long.
terrifying.
Thank you.
I'm glad
Bye,
you're here.
goodbye, Barnaby.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, how small you are. You'll grow.
Thank you so much.
Just like me as well. Absolutely. Ah, HHN. A sort of acronym. Horrible. The Hagrid. Nonsense.
Click the top video if you want to see our awesome Alice and Mad Hatter meets, or click the bottom video to see our full experience of our awesome time at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. And thank you so much for watching.